Traditional rasam recipe. Boil 4 tomatoes and tur dal. Add your boiled tomatoes and clean them with a strainer. Add little water and start smashing them. This will clean them. Whisk your tur dal. Switch on the stove and place your kadai and add your smashed tur dal. Add your tomato puree. Add water according to your consistency, however you want. Mix them. Add curry leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of tamarind water. Add salt to taste. Add 1 spoon of jaggery. Add 1 tablespoon of rasam powder. Mix them. Let them boil. Add water, little by little. Add fresh coriander. Add half tablespoon of jeera powder. For your tadka, take a cup and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add half tablespoon of mustard seeds. Add half tablespoon of jeera. Add 1 red chilli, little bit of ingu. Add curry leaves. Add it to your rasam. Add little to the cup so that the remaining bits can mix to the rasam. And there you go, your traditional rasam recipe is done. Pair it with rice and it will be really tasty. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.